Close your
Is this a video?
eyes.
But it's
Close your eyes. Don't pick.
Close your eyes. Just
Don't
close
pick.
your eyes.
No, you open it, but you don't pick. You just pull it.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll close your eyes.
Yeah, don't peek. Pull it out right away, okay?
why? But I'm too shy.
Okay.
I'm too shy.
Pull it
Oh,
out.
there's
Oh,
one
that's
in
funny.
Oh, no.
Skype it, red panty.
Don't look
Got
at
your
me.
secret. I hope you like it.
One,
2, 3. Oh my gosh! Tiffany!
That's from Daniela and Bianca. One for Daniela, one for Bianca.
God, Tiffany!
You
Wait,
like-
like this one here. Tiffany! This is my
Sophia.
dream.
That's for Valentine already.
Yes, yeah, of
That's
course.
already two.
Tiffany!
You got two?
I got 2.
Di ba? Intindihan mo? Pag malaki sa uli, pag maliit kasing item yan.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ito ang gusto ko talagang nakikita ko doon.
I hope it fits. Maliit yan.
Oh my gosh!
Sakto.
Tiffany! My God! Sana bukas ko na lang inano, pag nakita ng mga bisita ko nung naka-Tiffany ako.
Huwag mo magyabang.
Bakit pareho dati binili mo?
Eh, para tapos na agad.
Oh my God!
Dapat
Tiffany!
balik pa.
So how much is it?
Ay, iyan mo sa ano ha? Sa Facebook mo?
No, huwag naman.
Ano rin? Wala. Partner.
Ang liit.
Huh?
Palta mo lang. Maliit.
No. Tiffany.
Okay, Bianca yan.
You know what Tiffany is, right?
Nope.
I like this one. Tomorrow I'm gonna wear this one here.
Pang
Tiffany.
araw-araw mo na yan. Silver yan.
Dali pa pa sa ano na.
Maliit lang sa iyo. Kwenta sa uli mo.
Bakit?
Maliit sa iyo.
Hindi naman eh.
Basta hindi naman eh.
Did you like this one here?
Yeah.
Tiffany.
Yeah.
Pa-Valentine na ito.
Kala nyo po talaga panty?
Oh, Victoria's Secret.
Did you tell her it was like
Hindi ka maliit sa iyo. Kwentas mo ngayon.
Maliit ka.
Paano
Masyadong nakaka-choke po.
Hindi ka
Nakaka...
na chocho.
Mommy, can I have it?
What? No, pero may puti naman din ako ganito. Ilipat na ko na lang. Ano.
Pwede mo ilipat. Yeah.
Ilipat, diba? Did you like that? Thank you so much, my God. So, where did you go? York then?
Layo-layo.
Oh, I got a top, by the way.
What?
I got a top. I got a top too in
Oh
pants.
my God. And what about you?
I got